Planning to sell or export footwears in India? Then listen closely. For footwear like slipper and sport shoes, the government made certification mandatory under the quality control orders. If you manufacture or import footwear in India and you don't have a BIS license, your product can be blocked at ports, removed from e-commerce stores, and even it can face the legal action. Here is a real same case. A well-known Indian brand had to recall 1,000 of PU slippers. Why? Because they did not use the ISI mark properly. Even their products are of good quality. The result was 20 lakh rupees in losses and also damaged reputation. BIS certification for footwear, that means your footwear meets Indian standard of quality, durability and safety. Once approved, you can get the ISI mark, India's trusted symbol of product quality. The ISI mark is not optional. It is legally required for specific footwear types.
Right.
Rubber Hawaii chappals, IS 10702. PU footwear, IS 11544. Leather safety boots, IS 15298 Part 2. Sportswear, IS 15844 and 20 more types. Whether you sell on Amazon or in a local showroom, if you deal in these, you must need the ISI mark. If you are a foreign brand, the rules still apply. You will need the BIS certification through the FMCS, Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme, and you must appoint an Indian representative. Here's how the BIS process works, step by step. Step 1. Identify your product's IS code. Each footwear type is matched with a specific Indian standard. For example, PU stands fall under IS 11544. Step 2. Documentation. We require some legal and factory document from your end. Along with that, our team will prepare all major documents. Prepare all required documents such as factory license, ISO certificate, trademark certificate to support your BIS application. Step 3. Application submission. Submit your application with product samples, factory details and compliance documents. Step 4. Factory inspection. BIS officials will visit your manufacturing unit to check production quality and processes. Step 5. Lab testing. Product sample will be tested in BIS recognized labs in India. Step 6. License grant and ISI mark. If everything checks out, BIS grants a license and allows you to print the ISI mark. Step 7. Renewal. Licenses are valid for 2 years and must be renewed with follow-up checkups. For overseas manufacturers, appoint an Indian representative, submit Form 6, arrange for a factory audit, get product tested in India, receive ISI license if approved. A footwear exporter from Thailand wanted to enter into the Indian market, but they faced delay due to poor knowledge of BIS rules. With expert help, they appointed a compliant AIR, cleared the audit, tested their sandals, get BIS certified under 11544. Now they export over 1.2 crores worth of certified products every quarter. Here's why you must take BIS seriously. It's the law, helps you to get access Indian retail and e-commerce, build consumer trust, avoid fines and recalls, gives your brand a competitive edge. In today's competitive footwear market, the ISI mark is more than a symbol. It's your passport to India. If you are serious about selling here, getting BIS certified is your first step. Need experts for BIS certification? Plus Diligence Certification for a smooth process. Get a free consultation, make a call to Diligence Certification.